Take off your seatbelt when you're riding in the car, okay? Now, for those of you that are riding in your car seat like this, you have to make sure, yours might not look just like this, but you'll have your straps, right? Okay. You have to make sure that you keep your buckles on.
You guys have to listen so you can see the rules.
You don't want to take your slip apart, and you don't want to undo your button at the bottom. You have to keep them together and wear them all the time that you're in the car, all right? Please don't take them off, and please don't move this. This part should be nice and high on your body. Don't move it down to your tummy. That's not okay. Can you remember that for me? Yay, well good job, boys and girls. Now Buckle Bear brought some things that you get to take back to your class and then take home with you later. He brought everybody a Buckle Bear sticker, okay? And he brought you a pattern so that you can make your own Buckle Bear puppet. Do you see that? So please give yourselves a round of applause for being such great listeners. Thank you.
Somebody's punching the left of my
You got in your heart?
After 80 days,